Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2018 Toyota Sienna with some great exterior features that include roof rails and 19-inch wheels. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got black Softex interior. This Sienna also comes equipped with power seat adjustments and all-weather floor mats. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right you've got your safety features and your cruise at the bottom. This Sienna comes with 78,000 kilometers. Over in the middle on your touchscreen, you have some vehicle information along with your Bluetooth phone connection, AM/FM radio, and a backup camera. Right below that, you have your tri-zone climate controls. And at the bottom here, we have our heated seat dials along with your outlets. Taking a look at our second row seats, we have two cup holders in the middle. You also have two fold-out cup holders on the back of your center console, followed by your outlets at the top. Each seat back comes with a storage pouch, and for access to the third row, all you have to do is lift up on this tab here, and the seat will fold and slide forward. The back of this Sienna also comes equipped with a power liftgate. Once that's open, you can see we have a ton of storage space with the third row seats folded up, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the third row easily folds down. To close the liftgate, you have a convenient button located on the top of the liftgate itself. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2018 Toyota Sienna with some great interior features that include heated seats and tri-zone climate controls. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.